Today we're going to present to you how to assemble a PC. First, you have to install first the motherboard. And where's the motherboard? This is what we call the motherboard. Okay? This. The hood. In order for you to install the motherboard, you have to find first the screw, the hole for the screw to fix it. Yes, to make it stable. Well, after fixing the screw, and the next thing you have to install is the power supply. And here is the power supply. And same thing, you have to find the hole at the inside of the PC case for you to fix the screw. After installing the power supply, you have to install the CD-ROM or the DVD-ROM. This is what we call the DVD or CD-ROM, where you can find it in front of the PC case. In installing the CD-ROM or the DVD-ROM, all you have to do is, assuming that there is no slot here, just open this one, remove this one, and then slide the CD-ROM, and then you can find at the side some holes for the screw. Okay? And then after the power supply, we may now install the hard drive or the internal hard disk. The internal hard disk is located here, inside. This one. Okay? Same thing, you have to slide it inside and then find the holes for the screw in order for you to fix it. Afterwards, we have to install now the video card and the audio card. Okay? Or better known as graphic card or sound card. Okay, for this motherboard or PC, we don't have the sound card. As you notice, every time we have a presentation, we don't have an audio. Okay, so, but the slot where you are going to put the audio card is here. So you just, when you have the audio card, all you have to do is press your two fingers like this. And we call this PCI slot. Okay? After you install the audio card, comes next is the video card or the graphics card. And this is what we call the graphics card. Same thing, the difference between the sound card and the video card slot is that the video card slot is smaller than the sound card slot. So same thing, all you have to do is press it with your two fingers so that it will impact properly and then screw it inside. Find the screw. And then the last one to install is the all done. All you have to do after that is plug it in and should be done. Should be working properly. Yes, madam.
How about the RAM?
How about the?
The RAM, random access memory.
RAM and CPU, we already plug on the motherboard.
It's not mentioned before.
Thanks. Any other questions?
It is the same with the notebook.
I think one question for one group only.